Are you a nurse working endless shifts, sacrificing time with loved ones, and you still feel like you are just getting by? It is not enough. I will help you make an extra $5,000 in the next 90 days, trading only 90 minutes per day. I get it. As a nurse, your schedule is packed and your energy is drained, and the thought of learning how to trade overwhelms you. Are these some of the challenges you are facing? Number one, you don't have time to trade. The shifts that you have eat up the whole entire time that you have. Number two is you are afraid to lose money. The thought of losing your hard-earned money might be terrifying to you. Number three, trading seems too complicated. The jargons and the strategy involved are overwhelming. Number four is you feel like you can't balance your life, and now trading feels like a burden. What if I told you there is a better way to do this? Introducing the Trading Scrub Team. This is an exclusive community for nurses and nurses only who are interested in building their wealth through Forex trading. Let me show you what is inside. Alright, so right off the bat, once you join, you will see we have all these sections here. When you go to the classroom, you will see we have this specific course that is designed for nurses, designed to help you understand how to look at the markets and take your first trades. Now, this course in itself is valued at $3,000. And as a bonus, you get access to live trading session. So you'll see every single day we have live trading sessions, and this will allow you to make money as you are also learning. Not only that, you will get results in the next 90 days. And if you go to the About page, you will see the progress students are making. There's no community tailored for nurses like this. And so join us now.